What are functions in programming?
Miss was talking about code that performs specific tasks. By grouping related instructions together, functions help programmers organize code logically. They can be called or used multiple times throughout a program, making them fundamental building blocks in software development. Understanding functions is key to writing efficient, reliable, and scalable code.
Benefit 1. Code, reuse, and efficiency.
One major benefit of functions is code reuse. Instead of rewriting the same lines of code, you can call a function whenever you need its functionality. This reduces repetition, saves time, and ensures consistency across your program. If you need to make changes, you only have to update the code in one place.
Benefit 2. Improved readability.
Functions make code easier to read and understand. By breaking a program into smaller, named sections, developers can quickly grasp what each part does. Clear function names act like labels, describing the purpose of the code inside. This is especially helpful when working on larger projects or collaborating with others.
Benefit 3. Easier debugging and testing.
With functions, troubleshooting becomes simpler. When a bug appears, you can focus on the function responsible rather than sifting through an entire program. Functions can also be tested individually, catching errors early and making the debugging process more manageable.
Benefit 4. Modular and maintainable code.
Modularity means breaking code into separate, manageable parts. Functions help achieve this, allowing developers to make updates or add features without disturbing unrelated parts of the code. This modular structure makes long-term maintenance much easier, especially as projects grow.
Benefit 5. Collaboration made simple.
When multiple people work on one project, functions help organize tasks. Team members can work on different functions at the same time without interfering with each other. Well-named and well-structured functions provide a clear roadmap for collaboration and future development.
Conclusion. Why functions matter.
Using functions leads to cleaner, more reusable code. Their benefits include code reuse, readability, easier debugging, modularity, and better teamwork. Mastering functions is an essential skill for anyone who wants to build reliable, maintainable, and scalable software.